Ever wondered how you can make science fun for your kids? Well, welcome to the Little Einsteins Club. Today we're going to explore the magical world of science with 3 easy and safe experiments that your little ones can try at home. But remember, even though these are simple experiments, adult supervision is always important to ensure safety. So, are you ready to become a little Einstein? Let's dive right in. Our first experiment is called the magic milk experiment. Sounds exciting, right? It's a feast for the eyes, and the best part is, it's super simple to set up. All you need are a few household items: milk, food coloring, dish soap, and a cotton swab. Let's get started. First, we pour some milk into a shallow dish. Any kind of milk will do, so feel free to pick your favorite. Once we have a good layer of milk in there, it's time to add some color. We'll take our food coloring and add a few drops into the milk. You can use any colors you like and be creative with how you arrange them. Now for the magic part. Take a cotton swab and dip it into some dish soap. Then, gently touch the soapy end of the swab to the surface of the milk. And watch as the colors start to move and mix, creating a beautiful kaleidoscope right in front of your eyes. What's happening here? Well, dish soap is designed to break down fats. And since milk contains fat, the soap causes the fat particles to move around, carrying the food coloring with them. This results in the stunning display of swirling colors that we see. Isn't that amazing? And the best part is, you've just learned about the reaction between soap and fat in milk. Now, let's move on to our second experiment, the dancing raisins. Are you ready to make raisins boogie? For this fun and fizzy experiment, all you need is a clear glass, some soda water, and a handful of raisins. Now, let's get started. First, fill your glass with soda water. The more bubbles, the better. This is because the bubbles in the soda are filled with a gas called carbon dioxide. Next, drop in a few raisins. Just let them plop right into the glass. At first, they'll sink to the bottom, but don't worry, the party is just getting started. Watch closely. You'll start to see tiny bubbles clinging to the raisins. This is where the magic, or rather the science, happens. The gas bubbles lift the raisins to the top of the glass, making them dance. But the dance party doesn't last forever. Once the bubbles pop at the surface, the raisins will lose their lift and sink back down. But don't fret, they'll soon be scooped up again by more bubbles, and the dance continues. This experiment is not only entertaining, but also educational. It's a playful way to demonstrate the concept of buoyancy and the behavior of gas bubbles. See how fun science can be, and you've just learned about buoyancy and gas bubbles. Now, who knew raisins had such rhythm? Our final experiment for today is the invisible ink. Ready to play detective? For this experiment, we will need a few simple items that you can find around your house: a lemon, a paintbrush, a piece of paper, and a lamp. First, we are going to squeeze out some lemon juice into a small bowl. Now dip your paintbrush in the lemon juice and write a secret message on your paper. It could be anything you like, a fun riddle or a sweet message to a friend. Once you've written your message, let the paper dry. This might take some time, so be patient. Now comes the exciting part. Once your paper is completely dry, hold it up to a heat source. Be careful not to hold it too close. We don't want to start a fire. You can use a lamp for this. As the paper heats up, your secret message will start to appear as if by magic. The science behind this is quite fascinating. Lemon juice, being an acidic substance, weakens the paper. When you apply heat to it, the weakened paper burns faster than the untouched areas, revealing your secret message. And there you have it, a secret message. You've just learned about the reaction between lemon juice and heat. This experiment not only teaches us about the properties of acid and heat, but it also brings out the little detective in us. So what's your next secret message going to be? And that's it for today's Little Einsteins Club. We've had a blast with the magic milk, dancing raisins, and invisible ink experiments, learning about reactions, density, and heat. Try these at home, under adult supervision. Remember, science is all around us and it's fun. See you next time in the Little Einsteins Club.